Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we are excited to present the top 6 best motorcycles for new riders in 2024. Number 6. Honda Rebel 300. The Honda Rebel 300 is a beginner-friendly cruiser with a 286cc single-cylinder engine that delivers 27 horsepower. It's lightweight and low-slung, giving riders a stable, confident ride on every turn. Honda's Rebel line is known for accessibility, and the 300 lives up to its name with user-friendly handling and comfortable ergonomics. Its low seat height makes it especially approachable for shorter riders or those who want easy control at stops. The relaxed upright seating also helps reduce fatigue on longer rides, while its lightweight frame allows for nimble handling in city traffic. Build quality reflects Honda's attention to durability, with a solid frame, quality finishes, and easy-to-reach controls. The Rebel 300's LED monitor is simple but effective, providing key information without overwhelming new riders. Sound-wise, the exhaust has a subtle rumble, enough to feel the thrill without causing a scene. This bike is designed for the real world, excelling at commuter-style rides and weekend cruises without being too powerful or heavy. Aesthetically, the Rebel 300 combines a modern cruiser look with a stripped-down style that appeals to riders of all ages. At around $5,149, it's affordable without sacrificing quality, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious beginners. The Honda Rebel 300 brings approachable performance, a sleek design, and high usability, perfect for new riders who want to feel comfortable and stylish on two wheels. Number 5. Kawasaki Z400. Kawasaki Z400 is a nimble, street-oriented naked bike, ideal for beginners who want to balance practicality with a hint of sportiness. Its 399cc parallel twin engine, delivering 45 horsepower, gives the Z400 a smooth, responsive power curve that's thrilling but manageable for new riders. Weighing in at a modest 364 pounds, the Z400 is incredibly easy to handle in tight city spaces, making it ideal for urban commutes as well as weekend rides. The build quality reflects Kawasaki's commitment to durability, with solid materials that feel built to last. It has a bold, aggressive look, with exposed hardware and sharp styling that gives it a bit of an edge without going overboard. The upright seating position and well-padded seat provide comfort, allowing for a comfortable ride over longer distances or through busy city streets. Its LED monitor displays all key data clearly, with intuitive controls that are straightforward for beginners to operate. The exhaust sound adds an element of excitement without being too loud, making the Z400 a fun yet sensible choice. It's versatile in real-world usability, with a lightweight frame that's easy to handle in various conditions. Priced around $5,104, the Z400 is a great option for beginners wanting a powerful yet accessible ride. With its sporty appeal and user-friendly design, the Z400 offers an impressive mix of performance, style, and affordability for riders starting out. Number 4. Yamaha MT03. Yamaha's MT03 is a standout choice for beginners drawn to street fighter aesthetics combined with accessible performance. Powered by a 321cc parallel twin engine, generating 42 horsepower, the MT03 provides a quick, responsive ride that's ideal for urban streets or light weekend cruising. The bike's lightweight chassis and agile handling help beginners feel in control, especially when maneuvering in traffic or tight spots. Comfort is a priority with the MT03, featuring an upright seating position and ergonomic handlebar placement that allows for comfortable, balanced control. Yamaha's build quality shines through with durable materials and a quality finish that make the bike feel solid and reliable. Its LED display is clear and concise, giving riders essential information like speed and fuel level without distraction, perfect for beginners who don't need a complex interface. Aesthetically, the MT03 is striking with its aggressive, futuristic design, particularly the sculpted front end and minimalistic bodywork. The exhaust sound is moderate yet satisfying, adding to its lively personality. This bike is best suited for city commutes but can handle longer journeys comfortably, providing versatility for different riding situations. At an accessible price of around $4,999, the MT03 is a fantastic value. For beginners, it combines Yamaha's high standard of reliability with a fun, stylish look, making it an appealing option for those looking to start their motorcycle journey with a bit of flair and confidence. Number 3. Suzuki GSX 250R. The Suzuki GSX 250R offers new riders a gateway into the sport bike world, blending accessible performance with the stylish aesthetics of a true sports machine. With a 248cc parallel twin engine producing 25 horsepower, The GSX 250R is designed to be smooth and forgiving, making it a perfect entry-level choice. The bike's moderate power output allows beginners to learn control while still experiencing the excitement of a sport bike. Comfort is also considered, with a moderately upright riding position that's relaxed enough for longer commutes and daily rides. Suzuki's build quality is evident in the durable frame and quality materials, ensuring the GSX 250R can handle the demands of regular riding. Its LED display provides essential information like speed, fuel, and gear position in a simple, easy-to-read format, keeping beginners informed without overwhelming them. Aesthetically, the GSX 250R is sleek and aerodynamic, embodying the sport bike look without being intimidating. The exhaust tone is subtle, delivering just enough sound for a satisfying ride without being too loud for urban settings. Its usability extends to real-world scenarios, from city streets to highway cruising, making it versatile for new riders exploring different terrains. Priced around $5,099, the GSX 250R offers a high-quality entry point into sport riding, making it an attractive option for beginners seeking a blend of style, comfort, and approachability. It's a bike that can inspire confidence and skill building, setting a solid foundation for future sport bike experiences. Number 2. Royal Enfield Hunter 350. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is a standout for beginners who want a classic, easygoing ride with a retro appeal. This bike's 349cc single-cylinder engine with 20 horsepower is designed to offer smooth, gentle power that's ideal for novice riders. Its low seat height and upright, comfortable riding position make it accessible to a wide range of riders, even those new to motorcycling. Royal Enfield has crafted a sturdy build with quality materials and a minimalist design that speaks to its vintage-inspired character. The bike's LED display is straightforward, delivering essential information in an easy-to-read format without complicating things for first-time riders. With a balanced, gentle exhaust sound, the Hunter 350 provides just enough auditory presence without overwhelming. Its usability shines in various settings, from relaxed city commutes to scenic countryside rides. It's not built for high-speed thrills, but it excels in providing a comfortable, reliable ride that makes newcomers feel at home on the road. The retro aesthetic and simple, classic styling add to its charm, making it a bike that feels timeless. Priced affordably at around $4,199, the Hunter 350 offers an economical and approachable way for beginners to start riding. With its blend of retro appeal, smooth performance, and ease of use, the Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is an excellent choice for those seeking simplicity and style. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja 400. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 is a sport bike icon for beginners, offering a thrilling yet accessible ride. With a 399cc parallel twin engine producing 49 horsepower, the Ninja 400 is powerful enough to feel exhilarating, but balanced enough for newer riders to handle confidently. Kawasaki has designed this bike with a lightweight frame and responsive handling, making it an excellent option for riders transitioning into sport motorcycling. Comfortably ergonomic, the Ninja 400 supports an upright yet sporty riding position, making it suitable for both city riding and weekend touring. Kawasaki's renowned build quality is evident, with premium materials and a sturdy design that enhances durability. The LED display is comprehensive, showing speed, fuel, and other key metrics in a clear, readable format, perfect for beginners who need straightforward information. The Ninja 400's aesthetics are striking, featuring aerodynamic lines and a race-inspired look that attracts sport bike enthusiasts. Its exhaust tone is bold yet refined, adding to the immersive experience. This bike is well suited to real-world use, whether commuting through traffic or exploring open roads on the weekend. At around $5,899, the Ninja 400 is a worthwhile investment, offering one of the best starter sport bike experiences. It's an ideal choice for beginners who want to start with a sport bike that provides both excitement and a learning-friendly ride, making it a top choice in 2024's starter motorcycle lineup. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of motorcycles.